Okay, so let's do a fast review of today's price action on EURUSD in the New York session. So firstly, we can see that the news have passed and we can trade today. So after that, we can go into the daily. We know we are bearish. Now, we are bearish because we reached the weekly fair value gap and we have this external range liquidity. Now, in terms of the daily time frame, we can see that we swept the previous 3 days highs from previous 3 days, and we have this swing low that is our target. Also, our target is the previous day's low. Now, in terms of the 4-hour time frame, there's really nothing right here. We do have these targets, but I mean these liquidity areas, but they are not important. So for us, we have this, which is the previous day's low, which is the target for the day. And then looking at the 1-hour time frame, we can see that the previous day's highs has been swept. So what can we expect from this is for price to reach into the premium of the move to then go lower and sweep this and this. So we marked these premium FUGs from which I was expecting a sell setup. So which we actually got, but there was one thing that wasn't right. So we can see that we swept the London high and the high of the day and reached into a 1-hour fair value gap. From then, you can expect price to move lower. So let's drop to the 1 minute and see. Let's do to the 2 minute actually. So firstly, after the sweep, we can see that this right here was an A+ setup. Why was this an A+ setup? Well, because we have a sip of key liquidity right here, a reach into the fair value gap, bias is bearish, break of structure with displacement and with a fair value gap and a clean target. So this would be a very good trade like this. So we can put it here right like this. 3R right like this. So this was an A+ setup, but it was missing one key thing, which makes us cancel this trade, and that's the time. So as you can see, this entry happened before 9:30, which is not right. We are looking for an entry between 10 and 11 o'clock. Okay, so as this came, so I was looking at this setup, but I didn't execute it, same as this one. So right here with this move over, I was looking at this being the break of structure right here, and I was waiting for price to create a 5-minute fair value gap right here, which it almost did with this candle right here. So it was about to close somewhere here, and then we can short from the 5-minute fair value gap instantly, or wait for a 1-minute time frame to present an entry from the 5-minute fair value gap. But as you can see, price pushed higher in the last seconds and did not leave a fair value gap, meaning this trade would have not been valid off of this fair value gap. So at this point right here, I was waiting for price to push higher and sweep either this and reach into this fair value gap once more, and then short from there, or to fully take out this buy sell liquidity and reach into fair value gap to then form a break of structure with a fair value gap targeting these sell side liquidities. But as you can see, that did not happen, so which means today I took no trades. This was the only way that I would have executed that trade today, and it did not happen, which is completely fine. Basically, the price action is not favorable, as you can see. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it short and simple today because the price action, as you can see, is not tradable, and setup wasn't there. So yeah, that's about it. We are not trading tomorrow because it's FMC, and you can trade only after the FMC, so which means after 2 p.m. and I after 2 p.m. don't have any setups, so I'm not trading tomorrow. I'm trading Thursday and Friday. So yeah, that's about it.